One of the most common symbols that can be added to a document is the copyright mark. This quick tip examines a couple of ways that you can easily add this symbol to your writing. There are a number of special symbols that are often used in the course of creating a document. One common symbol is the copyright mark, which is a small letter C surrounded by a circle. Copyright marks are easy to add to your document. All you have to do is type a lowercase c surrounded by parentheses, and Word will automatically change the 3 characters to a copyright mark. For instance, let's say if I wanted a copyright mark right after the Yogi Bear show right there, all I have to do is parenthesis, lowercase c, and a right parenthesis just like that. And that yields the copyright mark that I wanted at that location. Another place that you can add the copyright mark is by positioning your insertion point where you want it, and then going over to the Insert tab of the ribbon, choosing Symbol, and then More Symbols. I'll move this over a little bit so you can see where the insertion point is. It's right after the phrase boo-boo there. Now we're going to choose Special Characters, and notice that right here is a copyright symbol. I can now click on Insert, and you can see that it inserted it within the document at the insertion point. In older versions of Word, there used to be a keyboard shortcut for entering a copyright symbol. You can do that here within this dialog box by clicking on Shortcut key, and then within the Press New Shortcut key, just indicate what shortcut key you want to use. For instance, you may want to use Alt-C to insert a copyright symbol. Now we can say Assign. We close this. Notice that the copyright symbol now has the shortcut key listed there that we just created. I can close this dialog box, and if I want to insert a copyright right after Jellystone Park there, now all I have to do is Alt-C, and the copyright symbol is inserted within the document. So there you have it. 3 quick ways to insert a copyright mark where you need it in your document. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, well, you might consider signing up for the free Word Tips newsletter. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.